Okay, bear with me, this is a bit of an experiment. So maybe you have heard that Instagram announced a new platform which is called Instagram TV, and what I want to do with IGTV is having a bit of an easygoing channel, a bit of a vlog style channel, where I can create some more content which doesn't have to be planned out as precisely as I do my other videos. I can talk about more topics about life, topics about work-life balance and this kind of stuff. I also want to hear from you if you like this format, if you're interested in some more easygoing topics. I already posted the first video there. It's still going to be focused around technology and software engineering, but I think I want to do more easygoing videos. And it gives me another opportunity of creating more content where I can be creative and at the same time provide value. I already posted episode 1 of the SiT vlog over there on IGTV, so I'm gonna put the link in the description. Please check it out and let me know what you think about it. Don't worry, this YouTube channel will of course be updated with more videos and more content about engineering and system design and all kinds of stuff you already know. My name is Ramon Lopez and this is Success in Tech.